In this segment, we're going to look at recently awarded notable government contracts, like this one.
2, 1, booster ignition and liftoff.
Houston now controlling. Roll program.
Roger, roll.
Okay, so NASA Launch Services just awarded a contract to SpaceX to carry the DART mission to the next step. DART is part of a planetary defense mission to protect the Earth from threats such as asteroids. It actually stands for Double Asteroid Redirection Test. And this technology, which was developed at Johns Hopkins University, is part of a larger mission which unites world governments to address these kind of threats, like asteroids. It will experience its first launch with the help of government contractor SpaceX. The launch is scheduled for 2021, with the redirection impact to occur in 2022. The DART impactor will attempt to crash into an asteroid's moon in order to change its flight path. This will prevent a potential catastrophic threat. So, if the mission is unsuccessful, please don't get scared, because remember, the T in DART stands for test. This is only a test. But still pretty cool. I mean, it's the first mission of its kind that wouldn't be possible without the ingenuity of a government contractor. So, way to go, SpaceX! I mean, first mission of its kind. Sounds pretty familiar. Did Bruce Willis die in vain in that Armageddon mission?
No!
Well, we learned about this contract on the Federal Procurement Data System. This is an action by the government that is transferring about $7 million from the U.S. government's funds to SpaceX for this contract. The action exists on a contract that has a ceiling of $15 billion. So, in layman's terms, DART is pretty much hitching a ride on the contract for space launches by one of its biggest contractors in the world. This is the 102nd action on this government contract since 2010, which has seen just under $200 million in spending. It's a lot. And as an even better update, on April 17th, just a few days ago, FPDS showed that SpaceX was awarded an additional $15 million from NASA. It's unclear if this was for the DART mission, but it could be the newest action increase in spending on that SpaceX launch contract to over $200 million. It's really a lot of spending, if we really think about it. But that's really not all. I mean, in the month of March, US Federal Contractor Registration helped businesses that won 804 contracts. These range from our biggest clients to our smallest. And we really wanted to highlight two of our small businesses who won their first contracts this past week. So we have A&E Haberdashery and Empire Medical and Dental Supplies. So first, A&E Haberdashery won their first contract from the federal government, which was huge. So A&E Haberdashery, LLC, specializes in a wide range of medical and office products. And I mean, we have a soft spot for this kind of business because the owner is one of my bid training clients, and I worked with him pretty personally to tailor this business to the government's needs. For the Federal Insider Live, I'm Anna Rose, and I'll see you next week.